If your goal is to lose weight and get healthier, reducing the amount of carbohydrates in your diet is crucial. Processed junk foods are packed with refined sugars and carbohydrates. These have been shown to cause inflammation throughout your body, especially in your liver, leading to increased body fat production. Consuming these excessively over time can lead to various illnesses, such as diabetes, weight gain, obesity, nerve damage, heart attacks, strokes, and many other issues. In this video, I'll share with you the top 12 healthy foods that contain very low carbs and sugars, less than 3 grams. Replacing junk foods with these will provide your body with essential nutrients and support natural healing. 1 eggs, 0.6 grams of carbs per egg. Pasture-raised eggs contain only trace amounts of carbs and are packed with nutrients vital for life. They are an excellent source of choline and lecithin, which help break down fat in your liver and aid in weight loss. Rich in protein, amino acids, vitamins, and minerals, they support cell healing and growth. Consume 2 to 4 eggs daily to boost your nutrition, stay full and focused, and reduce cravings for snacks and junk food. 2. Kale, low grams of digestible carbs. Organic kale is one of the most nutrient-dense superfoods. It has twice the vitamin C of oranges, more calcium than milk, and more potassium than bananas. Lightly steam it as a side dish or blend it into smoothies daily to enhance your health. Kale contains no starches or sugars, just healthy fiber. 3. Red meats, 0 grams of carbs. Choose high-quality grass-fed meats like beef, lamb, and organ meats. These are crucial for building blood and are rich in bioavailable iron and vitamin B12. Essential for strong muscles and energy, they contain no carbohydrates. 4. Cheese, 0.4 grams carbs per ounce. Cheese is a healthy source of fat-soluble nutrients like vitamins A, E, D, and K2. It helps absorb calcium into your bones, teeth, and nails. Rich in healthy fatty acids and proteins, it can improve brain health and concentration. Ensure your cheese is high quality and from grass-fed cows or goats. Recommended varieties include cheddar, camembert, halloumi, brie, goat cheese, and mozzarella. 5. Pecan nuts, 1 gram of net carbs per 1 ounce. Pecans are low in net carbs but high in soluble fiber, which helps control blood sugar. They are rich in zinc, copper, vitamin B1, and monounsaturated fat, keeping you satisfied and reducing junk food cravings. Enjoy a small handful after meals or mix them with 70% dark chocolate. 6. Cauliflower and cruciferous vegetables, 0 grams digestible carbs. Load up on leafy greens like cauliflower, broccoli, Brussels sprouts, cabbage, bok choy, arugula, and collard greens. These are full of phytochemicals that help your liver detoxify your body. They meet your potassium and magnesium needs, crucial for reducing insulin resistance and promoting fat burning. 7. Wild salmon, 0 to 0.1 grams of carbs per 3 ounce. Oily fish like wild salmon, sardines, mackerel, and anchovies are excellent protein and omega-3 fatty acid sources. Omega-3s lower inflammation and reverse oxidative damage. Avoid farmed fish as they contain toxic antibiotics and synthetic food coloring, making them less nutritious. 8. Butter, 0.1 grams carbs per 100 grams. Pure butter, not blended with vegetable oil, is rich in retinol, protecting and rejuvenating eyes, skin, and hair. Cholesterol in butter is vital for hormone production, which aids in weight loss. Cook with real butter to strengthen bones, reduce cravings, and help your gallbladder release bile to break down fat. 9. Sauerkraut, 0.1 grams of net carbs per ounce. Fermented cabbage, like sauerkraut, is a rich source of vitamin C and probiotics. Eat it 2 to 3 times weekly to boost friendly bacteria, support gut health, and lower blood sugar. It's easy to digest and helps heal digestive issues. 10. Avocados, 0 to 4 grams, and olive oil, 0 grams. Avocados and extra virgin olive oil are rich in healthy fats that help control appetite. Avocados are nutrient-dense and provide energy, rich in potassium, magnesium, and avocatin B. Olive oil is anti-inflammatory, reducing pain, swelling, and improving liver health. 11. Nutritional yeast. If dieting or exercising heavily, you may deplete B vitamins, causing weakness and mood issues. Consume 1-2 tablespoons of unfortified nutritional yeast daily to replenish B vitamins, boost metabolism, lower cortisol, and support healthy weight loss. 12. Herbs, no grams, and spices, 1 to 3 grams of carbs per teaspoon. Fresh herbs like mint, basil, parsley, oregano, cilantro, dill, rosemary, and thyme support weight loss and blood sugar management. Spices like turmeric, cinnamon, coriander seeds, black pepper, and ginger are powerful natural healers, repairing the liver, pancreas, and digestive organs. Summary: replacing carbs with these foods will help your body burn fat rapidly and trigger cellular healing. Avoid cheap meats and farmed fish, and choose high-quality grass-fed, wild-caught, and organic options. Tips for rapid weight loss. 1. Intermittent fasting. Fast for 19 hours and eat in a 5-hour window to increase insulin sensitivity and promote fat burning. Fasting also stimulates autophagy, recycling damaged cells. 2. Digestive enzyme supplements. Take supplements with bile, pancreatin, and betaine HCl before meals to aid digestion and fat breakdown. 3. Avoid starchy, sugary, and processed carbs. These foods raise insulin and blood sugar, hindering weight loss. 4. Consume healthy fats. Foods like avocados, eggs, evu, and coconut oil help your body switch from burning glucose to burning fat. 5. Manage stress. Stress hormones like cortisol cause weight gain. Reduce stress with walks, sleep, and deep breathing exercises. 6. Drink mineral water. Drink at least 1 liter of mineral water daily. Avoid tap water and choose brands rich in minerals like Evian, San Pellegrino, and Fiji. Remember, this video is for educational purposes only. Always consult with your doctor regarding health concerns. If you found this information helpful, give this video a thumbs up and share the link with your family and friends. If you're new to our channel, don't forget to subscribe to support our growth and hit the notification bell so you don't miss out on our next video. Thank you for watching, take care, and see you in the next video.